Hi guys! Hello people of the earth! This is your Morena G and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. And for today's vlog, this is not a travel vlog but instead, I will be sharing with you my driver's license journey or how I got my driver's license. How much or magkano nga ba ang ginastos ko and what is the process of getting driver's license in 2024 here in the Philippines. So if you are interested, then just keep on watching. Good morning guys, it's May 25 today. Time check, it's 7:50 a.m. and today is my practical exam for my driving lesson. Gikan pa ko og Buskalan, Sagada, Baguio, and then now is driving lesson. Actually, yesterday pa jud unta ako ang kanang schedule pero nakalimot ko. Karon guys, kuti na jud kaayo kuha og license. So in my case, kay need jud ka og mag-enroll og driving school. Ako is defensive driving school. Ako nag-enroll sa ako ang TDC, theoretical driving course, and PDC. Done with my first day. My snack from defensive for day 2. Wala ko nang magkape oy. Done with the second day.
Oh, yan ang 22. Bravo. Sorry, Alpha. Okay? Alpha.
Ang 22.
22 kay Alpha. Yellow brake, basta flashing, blinking yellow traffic light, slow down. Okay? Basa-basa lang. Okay? And then, lingkod lang, individual picture task, task lang.
Second week of May is nahuman na ako ang PDC. Then after is kuha ka og SP pa medical sa first medical, and then kuha ka og SP student permit. So nana ko ana, and then ang student permit is mao na siya ang need para sa practical. We're now in the driving school. Very late ang mga person. Sabaan ko ani ron. So this is my outfit kay laos na kong office later. So, drive na ko. This is it. What's up, duka kay ko. Wala pa na ko nakuhan. So, mana na siya. So, ari namin mag-practice og drive. That's my instructor, Sir Andy. Nya, nagbutang siya mga cone. So, as if amo daw na agi-agian later. Hello, oh my God. Kaya ko to.
Sa tungod, slow down lang para mag-adjust. One. Oh, wait ka mo. Sige ra. Alright, adjust ka na. Mo ginala ko na. Tapos, hinihinay ka sa right. One, alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hindi na ma. Here na. Oh, balik ka daw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ilubag. Towards 1 and 2. So, direct ka sa the plane. You turn the balik. Full left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sige. Ako sa ni-enhance ka dito mong kamata. Okay. Brake. Okay. Reverse.
Done with the cones, the full right and the full left and the full right. Day 2 of my driving lesson. Driving lesson 102. This is my car, charing. Mano akong drivean, and this is manual. So good luck to me.
Yan. Balik ka 1. 1 lang. Yan. Steady. box. So isuot sa box yung auto. Backpack shade.
Ayos ka.
Laban lang. Drive for more. Second gear, go. Yan, dua-dua. Ano juga dia? Ilan? Ayaw ko, liwag di sa sakinan. Very good.
Basta ma'am.
Hapoy mo siya sa tiil, pero challenging din kaya manual actually. Ikaw, how was my driving as a passenger there?
Sige pa kung kapag nun.
Ay, katong ikaw pa, sige ka kapag nun. Karon kay di mo pag nun. Good morning. Today is February 8 and today is the day nga mo take ko og exam sa LTO. Na-book ni nako siya, or I mean na appointment. Na-set ni nako siya appointment since December, last second week of December, and then karon ako ang schedule which is February 8, 2024. O diba, nakadugay. So I'm just preparing my mga requirements for the exam later on, and hopefully makapasar so that na ko lisensya. Ayun lang muna. Okay, gonna go to SMC site first. Bye! I was instructed to go back there and scheduled for retake of the exam last February 12, 2024. So I changed my version from Tagalog to English exam. I was applying for a license for motorcycle and for four wheels, non-professional, and after that, luckily, I passed the practical driving exam. Boosh! I got my driver's license. That instant, nanara siya kasayon guys. Basta pasaron lang ninyo ang exam, theoretical exam, or the online exam, and then the practical exam.
Asay mo na ba? Diin mo na ka now. Oh, di mo ko picture mo. Okay na ka? Congrats.
For my TDC and PDC, I got it from a driving school named Defensive Driving School. Search niyo lang sa Google, sa Facebook. It cost me around 5,499 to be exact. And that is combo package. It means TDC plus PDC, which is the practical driving certificate, that which is A and B, meaning motorcycle and four wheels or kanang car. For my medical expenses, which cost me 1,000 pesos, because it took me 2 times to get my medical certificate because wala din ko nag-process. 2 months validity ra ang medical certificate. Okay? Next, my SP cost 250 pesos. The application fee, or the fee, payment for exam when you go to LTO, which cost 100 per exam. So, kay retake man ko, I paid 200 pesos. Rentals, I paid 500 pesos. And for the motorcycle, I paid for 300 pesos. So, total for my rentals is 800 pesos. License fee is 585 pesos. Got this one. This is a cover. Madro akong license. I'm not sure. So, this is 50 pesos. So, a total of 8,384. Ayun lang, I hope this video of me nakalearn mo, and if you did learn something, you may share this to your colleagues or to your friends or someone nga ganahan sad magkuha og license this year. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified on my next video. So, ayun lang guys. Bye! See you on my next one.
My morena, girl, my morena.